So here's a walk around me Fk2 Type R 2015. I've spent the majority of my day cleaning it, and my partner cleaned inside. I will be displaying this car tomorrow at Brands Hatch, 7th of September, on the exhibit stand, as my club stand are not doing it this year. I've spent most of my day cleaning outside, and my partner has spent the majority of her day cleaning the inside. She's looking pretty clean, probably cleanest I've ever had it. She ain't looking too bad inside. Gotta have one of those though, it's hot in the summer. They make it really hot if you don't use one of them. Ready to change gear. That's that. I started cleaning this car today about 12 o'clock. It is now 6 PM. I used some back to black auto glim stuff. Even the door bits up here look really grey. Not looking good. So they look much better in a bit of black. Back to the original colour. She's nice and shiny. It's been a long day, luckily. The weather has been nice today. I cleaned inside some bits of the engine bay. All the trims around here are all looking horrible and grey. So I tried to use a bit of that black, back to black stuff, auto glim stuff. Make it a bit better. Sits a little bit better, I suppose. Got the engine intercooler. See, it's got the engine intake. This was suggested by Paul West. We go Mac my car. Also got the T-mod valve. That's done. It's better for the turbo. Spools up a lot quicker, so they say. It's on the Fk8. It's got cheeky AirTech intercooler, which is always good. Need one of those in these cars. It's got a blocked off valve at a minute, and he's changing these hose clips. You have an Fk2. I can zoom in. As you can see, they start to rust, and when they go, that's for your coolant. If you don't replace those, like I need to, which I've got some on the way, you'll be screwed and your engine will be gone. So this is supposed to be running 420 brake with current mods, the engine intercooler, engine aftermarket intake, intercooler, T-mod valve. I've got Cobra exhaust, which I'll show in a minute. It's a standard turbo, nothing special there. So just tidied it up, clean it all up for the show tomorrow. It's looking nice and shiny. And there's my EP3 in the background. It's been sitting in the garage for about 2 years now. It needs a lot of work done to that, but I bought this and put it in the back burner. Yeah, look, she's looking all nice and shiny. Hopefully the weather was good this year, because last year the weather was shocking. Gojapan Brands Hatch, as I say, inside. Nice and shiny. Look at that. That looks good. My partner got a vax on these seats. Cleaned as best they could. We were a bit dirty before. As I say, she spent a while doing them. Made them look much better than what they originally were. So it's all nice and clean now for the moment. Probably won't last very long though. Also one of my mods, I've got the Cobra non-resonated exhaust. There's my Cobra non-resonated exhaust. And clean the tips so they look nice and shiny.
So where are these? I'll put mum.